Dust or dirt on the front of the objective lens is sometimes seen on the retinal images. When it appears, as seen as the white spots in these photographs, the lens should be inspected and cleaned. To clean the front surface of the objective lens, you will need a large air bulb, or preferably a compressed air canister with a spray nozzle, a flashlight, sterile cotton, typically available at the drugstore in a small roll, wooden cotton-tipped applicators, and 100% alcohol, also known as 200 proof alcohol. It may be difficult to see the dirt when looking at the lens with the room lights on. However, dimming the room lights and inspecting the lens using a flashlight almost always makes it possible to see the dirt, smudges, or a film on the front lens surface. Avoid sitting directly in front of the lens when inspecting the front lens surface. Instead, view the lens slightly off axis to avoid looking directly into the bright light. In some cases, using the air bulb or the compressed air canister, the dust specks can be removed and no further cleaning is required. The more stubborn spots will need to be wiped from the lens. We make our own cotton-tipped applicators by first removing the cotton tip from the wooden stick, because the glue holding it to the stick may dissolve when alcohol is used. The glue is then transferred to the lens, requiring more extensive cleaning. It is better to roll your own applicators using the sterile cotton. Care must be taken not to touch the surface of the cotton that's going to be used to wipe the front surface of the lens. We first try removing stubborn spots by fogging the lens with our breath and then wiping in small circular motions, working from the center towards the outer edge to see if the spots can be removed. In some cases, only one cleaning is needed to remove the spots. However, in many cases, this step is repeated several times. Be careful not to get oil from your fingers on the cotton surface that will touch the lens. Fog the lens and then wipe using a circular motion, again working from the center to the edge. Finally, any residual dust is blown off using the compressed air cylinder. Retinal images that appear hazy or milky may be caused by a smudge or a film on the front surface of the objective lens. This can be seen by using a flashlight to illuminate the front surface. On cameras where a view lamp can be turned up, the light shining from the inside of the fundus camera through the objective lens can illuminate the smudges and film that are present on the front surface of the lens. To remove this film, first take a small pinch of cotton and moisten it using some of the 100% alcohol and begin wiping the lens working from the center towards the edge in small circular motions. Next, prepare a clean cotton swab using the sterile cotton, being careful not to contaminate the surface that will be used to wipe the lens. Inspect the lens by fogging the front surface with your breath and then begin polishing the surface working from the center outwards towards the lens periphery. Then using the compressed air to blow any remaining dust from the lens surface.